Welcome back. Our today's lecture is Constructivism in International Relation. Let's start. Here we have lecture outlines, introduction, definition, significance, types of constructivism, challenges, criticism, impacts, and relevant theories, examples, and lastly conclusion. So let's start from introduction. Constructivism or social constructivism is a theory in international relations that emphasizes the role of ideas, beliefs, and identities in shaping international norms and state behavior. Unlike realism and liberalism, which focuses on material factors like power and institutions, constructivism argues that the social and ideational aspects of international relations are crucial in understanding global politics. Types of social constructivism theory. Conventional constructivism focuses on how international norms and identities are constructed through social interactions. It emphasizes the role of international institutions and norms in shaping state behavior. Example: the development of human rights norms through international organizations like United Nations. Second, critical constructivism challenges the status and examine how power relations and social structures influence the construction of norms and identities. It often critiques dominant ideologies and seeks to uncover marginalized perspectives. Example: analyzing how colonial histories influence current international relations and power dynamics. Challenges in constructivism theory. Subjectivity. The emphasis on ideas and beliefs can lead to subjective interpretations, making it difficult to establish objective criteria for analysis. Example: different interpretations of the same international event based on varying cultural or ideological perspectives. Criticism of constructivism theory. Lack of predictivity power, which is very important point here. Critics argue that constructivism lacks the ability to predict state behavior because it focuses on ideational factors that are fluid and changeable. Example: difficulty in predicting the outcomes of international negotiation based on shifting identities and beliefs. Overemphasis on norms. Some critics believe that constructivism overemphasizes the role of norms and underestimate the importance of material factors like economic interest and military power. Example: the role of economic section in influencing state behavior, which may not be fully explained by constructivist theories. Significance of constructivism theory. Understanding norms and identities, it provides insight into how international norms and identities are formed and how they influence state behavior. Example: the global movement against apartheid in South Africa, driven by shared ethical beliefs about racial equality, highlighting the role of ideas. Constructivism emphasizes the importance of ideas and beliefs in shaping international relations, offering a more comprehensive understanding of global politics. Example: the influence of democratic ideas on the concept of democracy worldwide. Support for international relation theories. Constructivism supports various IR theories by providing a moral and rational foundation for their principle. Realism highlights the ethical dilemmas in power politics and role of ideas in shaping state interests. Example: the ethical considerations in nuclear deterrence strategies. Liberalism reinforces the importance of ethical cooperation and institutions by emphasizing the role of international norms. Example: the ethical basis for international treaties on arms control. Example: suffering countries, the ongoing civil war and humanitarian crisis influenced by complex identities and external interventions. Yemen, sphere of mind and conflict shaped by historical grievances and regional power dynamics. Myanmar, human rights abuses against ethnic minorities driven by interact social and ethical identities. So lastly we have conclusion. Note it down. Constructivism theory offers valuable perspectives on international relations by emphasizing the role of ideas, beliefs, and identities. Despite challenges and criticism, it provides important insight into social and additional aspects of global politics. By understanding how norms and identities are constructed, we can better comprehend the complexities of international relations and work toward more ethical and just global interaction. So this is all about our today's lecture. See you in the next lecture.